Hi guys, my name is Harley Gama Jr. So today I will going to answer the 5 questions related to leadership and management. So first question is, why is it important for nurses to be good leaders? What qualities have you observed from the nurses on the units that exemplify effective leadership in action? And how do you think these behaviors might have improved the outcomes of their patients? So being a good leader comes from within all of us. Some may not develop it as earlier as others, yet it will surely develop as the time goes by. So for nurses, it is important for them to be good leaders. So they should have patience, respect, and make their patients trust them. So this way, their patients will be their good followers. So since they are approachable and they can manage their patients very well. So in addition, their patients will be able to give their trust to their nurses about their health, where would lead to their fast recovery. So second question is, why are effective followers are as important as effective leaders? So effective leaders are leaders that are capable of building relationships, so have purposeful visions and possesses integrity. So these characteristics of the leader will be only useful and impactful if his followers are effective followers. So effective followers on the other hand are followers that think critically and function independently. An effective follower must know how to be not impulsive with their decisions but must accountable with the consequences if there are any. So effective leader and an effective follower must be paired always, because if only one party is effective, the work will not be done efficiently or will not be done at all. Then the third question is, review the various leadership theories discussed in the chapter. So which one might apply to leading in today's healthcare environment? And support your answer with specific examples. So given the current healthcare environment, the best leadership theory that can describe our health workers will be the situational and contingency leadership theory. So because this theory states that this kind of leadership varies on the situation given to a leader must able to adapt as if it was his normal day at work. This kind of leadership will not be effective and be recognized if the followers are not capable to follow readily what does the leader are telling them to do. So for example, in this time of pandemic, followers are advised to have a social distancing, so to lessen the percentage of getting infected by several variants of coronavirus. Yet, even for the continuous reminding of the health workers and the government, the community is still breaking the implemented rules as if COVID is not true. The next question is, select an individuals whose leadership skills you particularly admire. So what are some qualities and behavior that this individual displays? And how do this relate to the leadership theories? So, and what ways could you emulate this person? So, I present my inspiration and idol why I wanted to pursue my medical field, which is my older brother. So, he is very people-oriented, which made him more approachable and able to get the needs of my family. He is also effective in building to work among his co-workers, which I really admire because he is well loved by his co-workers because of his good leadership. These characteristics of him are related to the situational and contingency theory where it states that it prioritizes nature of the leader-member relationship. So to emulate his characteristics, I would ask him for advice of how he do his work, look effortless, and how does he able to connect both to his patients and co-workers in a very good way. Then the last question is, as a new graduate, what leadership and followership skills will you work on developing or enhancing during the first 3 months of your first nursing position, and why? So first, on the leadership skill, I intend to develop my selling style, where it involves convincing followers to buy into my ideas and message. I want to be influence my followers what must be the right thing to do if a certain situation will come. I want them to be aware of the positive sides as well as the negative ones when coming up to a decision that could affect them and the people around them. For the followership skills, I want to enhance my effectivity as a follower. So I want to be capable of thinking more critically but fast to attend quickly to the concern and to be able to act independently. But with the supervision of my supervisor. So also I want to enhance my partnership with the leader. I want to learn things I am ignorant of and to enhance my skills in my field. And also I want to be taught of things that I do not know and are not aware of. So with a good partnership with my leader, I must be able to learn new things and to follow directions well as per instructed. Thank you.